what's up you guys, Styles here. Welcome to another video. Hope all's well with you guys. Me, myself, hey, I can't complain. Thanks for asking. So today for you guys, we got a real quick sublimation video. This is going to be in response to a question I get asked quite often. That question is, what is the best time and temp for sublimation? Now my normal response is 400 degrees 60 seconds, but apparently that is not the correct answer. According to these manufacturers, there's a desired time and temp. So today we're going to see if that makes a difference. As always, what we're looking for is going to be the ink release. In today's case, it's going to be 400 degrees for 40 seconds. Yeah, and then in the meantime, we'll talk about where I've been, where I'm going, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. 400 degrees, 40 seconds. Yeah, who knew? Always 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Will I ever change? I don't know. Inquiring minds. Anyway, 400 degrees, 40 seconds. Okay, so for this application, we're going to be using our hat press. Now, if you don't have a hat press, you can still get the desired look by using your normal heat press and the pressing pillow to get over the seams and the buttons and whatnot. Anyway, but in this case, like I said, we're using our hat press because it's easier and because we can. 400 degrees, 40 seconds, a medium-ish pressure. In fact, that was a little light-ish. Probably could have increased the pressure a little bit. But we shall see. So, for yourself, how's it been? It's been quite a moment. Myself, I've been uber busy, traveling the world and whatnot. Not quite the world, but doing a bit of traveling. We'll get into that though later on. Some vlogs per se. And so after this, we're gonna go ahead and turn on our normal press. We got one more. We'll do a sleeve hit as well. And then we'll jump over to our normal press. We'll compare the ink release at the end of the video as well as the final product. You don't want to use the same paper because you will get that ghosting. Do yourself a favor, invest in a large roll of the butcher paper. We're going to go one underneath the garment. Then we'll go one on top of the garment. I'm not going to bother with the heat tape. And this seems to be okay placement. We're going to kind of match it up with the crease. And if it shifts a little bit, it just kind of is what it is. I'm not used to worrying about it now. We'll probably speed this part up. Won't bore you with it. Once again, 400 degrees, 40 seconds. The next time you see me, we'll be at the normal hat press. Sorry, we'll be at the normal heat press the next time you see me. Okay, so our press is at 400 degrees, once again, for 40 seconds. In case I failed to mention, we're pressing on this polo shirt today. It's 100% polyester. And now normally I would go directly under here, but there's some buttons here, and I want to get this off of the platen, so we're going to go a little lower than that. Let's rethink that for a second. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think that's entirely too low? That would be perfect. But I don't want to use the press pillow. Decisions. Anyway, so like I said, we're using this 100% polyester polo shirt today. We have to get our butcher paper. Remember, we go one in between the garment, and this is going to prevent the bleed through to the other side. You know, I don't know if I'm talking so loud because the mic is right here. So if that is the case, I apologize in advance. Okay, you know what we're just going to go for? We're not going to worry about the press pillow. We're just going to hope for the best. We're going to go ahead and YOLO. Right. I would normally use heat tape, but in this case I'm not going to because the design is so big. But what we are going to do is go ahead and give it a double check really quick just to make sure that it's at least wearable. Not looking for perfection in the video, but we do want to make sure that it is at least wearable. Alright, so 400 degrees, 40 seconds. Few more seconds. And we will see what we got. I'm hoping that the buttons do not melt. And that it doesn't mess with the press too bad in the future. Use a press pillow. And as you can tell, the ink release is official. Now, is it better? That much I can't say. We'll have to do a couple of more presses, but I will say that you do get very vibrant colors here. We got some slight blemishes here. And you see that right there? This is what you get when you don't use the lint brush. Well, this has been another video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. This has been Styles. You guys be kind. And hopefully I'll see you around sometime.